Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the next topic, beta, that is addiction. And when we study the addiction, we starting with its definition. I think all youngsters, they must heard this name addiction, and this is a very dangerous condition when a person become addicted to any kind of substances, mentally, physically. It destroy its life completely. But still there is a hope. There's a different type of medication, there's a different type of rehabilitation centers. With the help of them, even with the help of society, with the elders and the family member, a person can overcome addiction. So that we all study later. But first of all, let's discuss about the addiction concept wise. When we talk about addiction, beta, it can be defined any kind of physical or mental dependence which is beyond voluntary control. That means if any kind of habit, any kind of taking drug, alcohol, nicotine in the form of tobacco or any kind of substances, if that habit become beyond our voluntary control, that condition is referred as addiction. Are you getting? So addiction, they can be in the form of some bad habits, they can be in the form of taking the drug, alcohol, tobacco and different other aspects, substances, any kind of things, any kind of physical or mental dependence. That's a good word given into the biology. Okay, any kind of physical or mental dependence which is beyond voluntary control. That is, it cannot be controlled by the will of that person. That condition referred as addiction. Okay. So when we talk about addiction, starting as we have done with the definition, now I'm going to give you the good concept about types of addiction. So there's a lot of different type of addiction, beta. Mainly in your syllabus, they have been given according, when we talk about the types. So there could be drug addiction. According to a survey, in different countries of the world, mainly youngsters, teenagers, they caught with drug addiction. Even in India too, beta. Different states, I'm not going to say the name, but in different states, even around us, many youngsters, many teenagers, they are going to caught by the drug addiction. They are become habitual for taking different drugs. That's very disastrous and very harmful things. So first discuss with the types. There is drug addiction. There is one more type. It is alcohol addiction. And there is there could be tobacco addiction. So in the form of smoking, gutka, chewing tobacco in different manner, the people, they are become addicted for tobacco as well. Okay. So basically these different type of addictions are given in your NCERT biology. Apart from there is mental disorders, mental addiction, to see any kind of bad films, any kind of different aspects, to watch different kind of other things, that all considered in the mental manner of addiction, beta. Even some people's nowadays, they are having different type of mental habits, or we can say the different habits that become addiction for them. So according to your syllabus of biology, let's discuss about drug addiction, alcohol addiction and tobacco addiction. So as I have given beta the definition, that any kind of physical or mental dependence which is beyond voluntary control, that's called addiction. So here when you going to form the definition of drug addiction, we can say any kind of habit of taking drug which is beyond voluntary control is become drug addiction. Okay, or we can say in another manner that the physical and mental dependence on drug, that also the one definition we can form. Okay, the physical and mental dependence on drug which is beyond voluntary control is best known as drug addiction. The same manner you can form the definition here. The physical and mental dependence on alcohol which is beyond voluntary control is called alcohol addiction. The same manner you can form the definition for tobacco as well. Okay, so you can form the definition by your own self easily. Okay, bachcho. The next, let's talk about the causes of addiction. Let's discuss about the causes of addiction. So when we talk about the causes of addiction, beta, what are the various causes we might familiar with that they may cause the addiction? So number one concept, number one cause which generally seen into a survey, that is curiosity. Many youngsters, they caught by the addiction, beta, with curiosity. People when they are in the teenage, beta, now there is a lot of curiosity to know everything. Once they are being familiar with the friends group, if the bad companies are in the friends group, they are very curious about all those things. What is alcohol? What is this different thing? And this curiosity sometimes leads into the addiction. So one major cause in youngsters that may be curiosity for that addiction. The second thing, that is, as I was talking about, bad companies. That means bad friendship. Sometimes the peoples or even so-called friends, but they are not friend indeed, because true friends never lead in the wrong things. So some bad friendship, bad companies, bad groups, if some students, some teenagers, they are along with them, so these peoples also force that teenager or the friend to take any kind of substance like drug, like alcohol, or maybe tobacco, smoking. So that also lead into the addiction, beta. Okay. See, in one day there is not the addiction taking place, but once continuously this practice is taking place, and continuously when people they are forcing any person, and that body become habitual to take that drug or any kind of substance like alcohol or tobacco, that condition then refer as addiction. So it is starting with simple habit, only one time smoking, one time gutka, one time drinking of alcohol, but slowly it become addiction, beta. So don't go through with all those things. You all are excellent one, and the God has given this life for us for the betterment and for goodness of society, country and our family. So we should be very careful about this whole thing. Okay, so curiosity is one cause for addiction, bad companies or bad friendship. One more thing is that advertisement. Yes, that's also the concept. Sometimes people, those who are taking any celebrities as a role model, if he or she is doing some different type of ads regarding that alcohol substance or maybe tobacco or any kind of gutka, so sometimes the teenagers, beta, they are very attracted to the celebrities and they want to become like them. So they also go through doing the same things what they are doing in the films or programs or any kind of YouTube videos and all those things, and even the advertisements. So that is also one more reason that attract the teenagers and the youngsters to take any kind of alcohol or tobacco or any kind of things. And it's now when they start this thing, it is going to be form an addiction. Okay. Now one more thing is that there is some myth. What kind of myth are there? First myth is that it increases power. Yeah, sometimes the youngsters they have been caught by this myth that by taking that tobacco or smoking, our energy refreshes. When we are feeling very tired, we take that kind of alcohol or any kind of drug, so we become very energetic. This is the myth also found into the teenagers, beta, and that one different misconcepts that also lead into the drug addiction. One more thing, one myth is that to release tension. Yeah, many people, when doctors or anybody asks them why you are using to take this alcohol, why you are doing this kind of stuff, they simply answer, I have lot of tension. And to release this tension, I want to forget that tension. So to become tension free, I used to take this alcohol. Many people they said likewise, but it is not true, beta. By taking alcohol, it's not truth that the tension or stress is going to be away. Never ever. We have to deal with that tension and stress. We have to sort it out, all those causes. We have to talk with the persons. We have to talk with the family members, and we have to sort it out, all those problems. The challenges are full of in life, but that's a thing we have to overcome by hope and trust. Trust in the God, trust yourself, hope for betterment, and overcome all those problems. In this world, there's a lot of problem, but there's a lot of solutions of problems are still there. We have to fight against the problems. So that also one myth that people are thinking that if we are taking alcohol or some other substances, it is making us free, making us free of tension. Now, one more aspect, it is regarding, okay, I'm writing here, for enjoyment. That also one reason people they used to refer. They said that for enjoyment we are taking addiction, not addiction, we are taking this particular drug, maybe alcohol, maybe tobacco. It is for fun, it is for fun. So it is not fun, beta. See, anything which is giving a little bit pleasure but actually decreasing or maybe giving the lot of dangerous diseases or losing your life, how it could be enjoyable? Never ever, bacho. Okay, so these are the certain reasons. Apart from them, there's other reasons, but I'm not including here because these are the main prime reasons which may causes or which may lead to a teenager or any person to take any kind of substances which can be converted into addiction. Okay, so these are the basic causes of addiction. Okay, let's talk about the harmful effects of addiction. What are the harmful effects of addiction we can see? Okay, let's talk about the harmful effects. See, as addiction, it is physical and mental dependence. It causes both harmful effect, beta. It affects the health, that means physical manner, it is going to affect the body, as well as bacho, it is also affect our mental health. Okay, so let's see some of the harmful effects. Number one, when we talk about very harmful diseases causes due to addiction. Many harmful diseases like cancer, one of the prime disease. People those used to take alcohol, tobacco, many of us we know that on the wrapper of tobacco, cigarette, it is given that smoking is injurious to health, it causes cancer. In the every pouch of gutka, it is mentioned by the government itself. But the thing is that, bacho, is still the people they are not aware because they become addicted. They are taking, which is it is not controlled by their own will. So many harmful diseases like cancer, cirrhosis. Cirrhosis, that's a condition when there is a harmful diseases of liver, it's taking place. So damage of liver, or we can say the dysfunctionality of liver, it is also taking. So cirrhosis of liver. When we talk about the cancer, so there is mouth cancer, that's throat cancer. Those who are taking cigarettes, taking the smoking inside the lungs, they might be suffer with lungs cancer. So that all harmful diseases, beta, it causes due to addiction. Okay. Apart from that, not only these harmful diseases, in fact some chronic diseases, they might be happened by taking different addiction like indigestion. Some other problem when we talk about, that is indigestion, headache, there might be nausea. Nausea, that means sensation of vomiting, and acidity. So that all things are causes chronic disease. They can be in chronic form, that means they can be for long time. to the person who's doing that addiction. Okay, their metabolic activities, they got disturbed due to taking those alcohol or drugs or maybe different type of tobaccos, beta. Okay. Okay, next harmful things, harmful effect, sorry, I'm really sorry, harmful effects. So next harmful thing is that, beta, it causes rush behavior. Or we can say violence. You know, people, they become very in aggression, they become very much of angry, and sometimes they are beyond their thinking, they are not knowing what they are doing. If any teenagers is in the we can say in the effect of that alcohol, taking a lot of alcohol, he's not having any sense, beta, and what he is doing nobody knows. When it's overcome, the next day they feel very regretted what they have done. So sometimes many people, they have felt this, that due to addiction, drug addiction, alcohol addiction, people, they shows very rush behavior, and they shows very much of violence, even in the families also. Some nuclear families, some we can say that joint families also. If any main prime person of the family, he or she is if doing this kind of addiction, the whole family suffers because of their behavior, because of their violence, because of their aggression. So that become very much a problematic condition, beta. One more harmful effect is that is depression. So depression, discouragement, it is also one mental disorder. It used to come, it affect to those who are addicted by the different addiction. Discouragement. All the time these peoples, they feel very low, they feel very depressed. I'm nothing, my life is nothing, what I have done. They are so become regretful. So that all condition, it also causes due to addiction, beta. One more harmful effect that we can see, that economic loss. Of course, many people, excuse me, so many people, when if only one head of the family, male or maybe other person, if they only the source of livelihood, you know, they doing the work, they have family to feed, and if those person who's taking addiction, so lot of the amount of money, it is waste, it is going to be expend on that particular substances, and in that case the whole family suffers. They suffer the economic loss. They may have some of the debts, they can take money from here and there, and many different type of aspects taking place, bachon. So economic loss, it also be one reason, one harmful effect of the addiction, beta, you know. And some other social evil, some other social evils, they also result of addiction. Many different social evils, eve teasings, you know, many people, they are not knowing, you know, they are in the not in sense. Once they are taking the alcohol, they are not in sense what they are doing, they do not know. So they are doing the misbehavior, eve teasing, they are doing the wrong things, even they are doing the violence, making the fight here and there. What they have done, many severe cases of crime also notice during that addiction time, when any type of person who is having alcohol and drug at that time, what he and she is doing, nobody knows. So that social evil is also one of the major harmful effect of addiction. Okay. Now we have talked a lot about addiction, how it causes, what are the harmful effects of these different addictions. Now what is the treatment, or we can say how any person is become overcome on this addiction? Okay, how? Is there any chance? Of course there is any chance. There should be hope, there should be good news to everyone, those who are still addicted. So let's talk about the treatment of the addiction. Number one, first of all, that is medication. Some of the medication now they are available in the market, Once the people, if they go to the doctor, they tell the doctor about their problems. So there's certain medication beta, it is given to that particular addicted people, and this medication helps to overcome addiction. Okay. Now second thing is that rehabilitation center. So rehabilitation centers, these are the places where the treatment of addicted people, those who are very much in addiction, that center helps to overcome an addiction beta for those people. Okay. So rehabilitation centers around us in the city, in our states around us, there's a lot of rehabilitation centers. In fact, a lot of the work is done with by the governments, awareness programs, and a lot of the things going on. So rehabilitation centers, if any addicted person is there, he or she should be admitted there in rehabilitation center. There a proper care is to be given for that particular addicted people. Okay. In rehabilitation center, that addicted person should be treated with very care, very much of observation of the doctors, and these centers are now become very helpful for many teenagers, many persons who are addicted, and these centers are now helping to overcome the addiction. Okay. Awareness in schools, awareness in the society, awareness program in colleges. Yes, so it has to be going on, and this awareness now through the media, internet, television, FM, now to the different type of social groups, you know? So that these all awareness programs also be running by different organization, government as well beta, and these awareness programs are given actually nowadays for prevention of addiction, that no teenager should caught by addiction. Okay. One more treatment is there, that is healthy practices. Now what are the healthy practices? Get busy with good schedule. Nowadays, if you are a teenager, if you are a student, your priority is study. Your priority is the responsibility of family. You have to build your career. So make your energy, use your energy towards the right direction. You know, so that also the good thing beta. We should go through with the healthy practices. Good exercise you should do, good dietary habits you should have, good schedule, good books around you. You should be having familiar with all those journal knowledge, awareness. You should be very familiar about your subject knowledge. You have to enhance your all gifts. If you are good music player, you should be having good playing of instruments, guitar, keyboard, flute, whatever you are used to do in your gift, dancing, painting, drawing, even some other gift. If you are a good football player, cricket player, go through with that. So utilize your energy for that beta. That is a very good healthy practices. And these all practices, once the person's mind is towards that side, towards the good healthy practices, he or she is mentally and physically strengthen people. And this also help to overcome the addiction beta. Okay, it prevent from the addiction as well as it is also helping to overcome the addiction. Don't become free. If it is in this survey, if many people they are spending a lot of free time, then this we can say the thought for taking alcohol, drug and other things, it came into the mind. So must thing is that have busy schedule, and still you all have very busy schedule. Okay, one more thing is that as we have come to realize what we have done, let's have a quick recall. How is the treatment of addiction is taking place? By medication, rehabilitation centers, awareness programs, healthy practices, and one more thing is that by care and encouragement. If any people around us, he or she is not well, he or she is in depression, if we are looking, if we are get notice about anybody else, we should encourage that person. In the families, the family members should encourage that people with the love, with the care. The addicted person should be treated because he is also a human being, beta. You know? He is also having life. So still there is a hope, and it is seen in many cases by the love, care and encouragement that also become a very important strength and tool which lead in overcoming of addiction. So here I stop my lecture, and today we have accomplished the few parts of topic addiction that is given your NCERT. We have done different type of study today. I hope it will be beneficial for you all, beta. And next topic we will study different type of aspects which is given in your NCERT book. Thank you so much. God bless you all.